After a light frost, you can still pick your green tomatoes even if the plants are dead. But pick them before a hard freeze, which is about 28 degrees or below. Don't wash them when you bring them in. If they split out from the frost, it could still ripen, but wait to cut off the damage until after it ripens. Set them on a towel on the table, giving each tomato its own space. These will ripen more slowly here. Set what you want to ripen more quickly in a sunny window. I use a towel to protect the windowsill. After 2 days, these are already starting to ripen. If you want to keep some of the tomatoes green longer, you can take the blemish-free ones and wrap them in paper and put them in a cool, dark place. The harvest may be over, but your garden's tomatoes can continue to give you more fresh garden goodness for a while longer. This is Lena Shea and Iowa Mom. Thanks for watching. If you'd like to see more of my videos, go to youtube.com/@IowaMom. Then click on the video tab for a whole list.